My friends, welcome back to Vegan Scratch Kitchen. As always, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet flavorful recipe for a curried cauliflower and roasted chickpea wrap. It's got tons of great veggies and a vegan tzatziki sauce. Let's get into it. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Place all your dried chickpeas on a large roasting tray and spread out evenly, then roast them in the oven for 5 minutes. In the meantime, grab your head of cauliflower, cut into equal-sized florets, then place in a large bowl and set aside. In a small bowl, add the salt and pepper, organic sugar, garlic and onion powder, curry powder, cumin, and nutritional yeast. Mix the spices together until well combined. Grab your chickpeas from the oven and pour into a small bowl. Cover the chickpeas with oil, place back on the same roasting tray, then roast the chickpeas in the 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Add oil to your cauliflower florets, cover with the prepared spice blend, then mix in with your hands until all the florets are evenly covered. Place the florets on a large roasting tray, then set in the oven to cook with the chickpeas for the remainder of the 45-minute timer. For the vegan tzatziki sauce, finely chop 1 cucumber, 1 tomato on the vine, and 1 bunch of cilantro, then set in a large mixing bowl. Now grab your vegan mayo and vegan sour cream, then add those to the bowl with the juice of 1/2 lemon. Mix in with a spoon until well combined, then set aside in a separate container in the fridge. Now let's prepare the additional ingredients, including 1 large bunch of spinach, 2 carrots, 1 Persian cucumber, 1 red bell pepper, 1 jalapeno, 2 green onions, and 1 bunch of cilantro leaves. Take your chickpeas out of the oven and toss them with the blend of salt, cumin, and garlic powder until all the chickpeas are evenly coated, and then set aside. Grab your cauliflower from the oven and set the florets in a separate container. Place 1 large flour tortilla out on your work surface, add your vegan tzatziki, cauliflower, chickpeas, carrots, cucumber, red bell pepper, jalapeno, cilantro, and spinach. Add more of the tzatziki sauce if desired, then roll the ingredients up into a wrap. Here we have our finished product, the curried cauliflower and oven roasted chickpea wrap. This is a recipe that proves that you can make something so simple yet so tasty all at the same time, and I'm hungry, so let's have some. Is that for real? I have no words left for this. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.